Hello friends, in this video I will teach you that how we can make circle text in Adobe Photoshop. So you can see I have opened my Photoshop. So we will create a new document, and just for the teaching purpose I will use this any format we can use. So I will use this photo, default Photoshop size, and here you can see in the shapes we have ellipse tool. So select ellipse tool and make sure here you will select path in the options. If it is showing shape, so you can change this into path. Then press and hold shift to create proportionally circle. So you can see the width and height same. So once you create it, now we will select horizontal type tool. You can see when I move this tool to my document, it's showing like this, but when I move to here, the pointer will change something, curve, it's showing curve. So when we move here on the path of the circle, so this will allow us to write the text as per the circle path. See, if I click here, so now you can see the size of the text. I will reduce it. Okay, you can reduce more. See, so see, now we have the circle text. Another thing, if we create ellipse tool and if I create another path, and now if we select the text horizontal type tool, and instead of clicking here, if we click inside the circle, so this will write inside the circle. So we can reduce more text font size, and see, if we need to change the color, we can also change. So like this we can write outside of the circle or inside of the circle. So the circle text actually how we can create in Adobe Photoshop, I have explained in this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things and they can improve their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.